Hello, you gorgeous people. This is Priyanka, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much to come over here. It really means a lot to me. And I've bought some books from Amazon and Flipkart as well. So I'll just unpack the books in this video. And before starting the video, let me tell you all that I was really not feeling well since the last 10 to 12 days, and now also I have not recovered fully. I had a viral fever and it was like really a severe condition. I was going through really a hard time. So, I think two packets my daughter opened when I was not well. So she opened the packets, and I think two or three books I had to return. Yeah, I guess two books I had to return to Amazon and Flipkart, that I will tell you later on in this video. So let's just start. So the first packet is from Flipkart, which I will open. I'm really very excited, but because of this weakness and this feverish feeling, I'm really not able to show you my excitement level. So let's just see which book is there in this packet. This cutter I specially bought for this video. This is Nataraj's cutter. I had bought it before starting this sale, because I've seen many people, they use cutter, and I was like using knife and scissors in this kind of unpacking video, so I especially bought this cutter. So the first book is the first book I ordered for my daughter. This is by Sudha Murthy, and book name is The Bird with Golden Wings. This is the stories of wit and magic, and Sudha Murthy's books are usually very not very costly, but they are somewhere around 180 to 200 rupees. But this was available for a very good discount. I got it for somewhere around 95 rupees. This is for my daughter, and I know that I am also going to enjoy this book, because everyone loves Sudha Murthy's book. Even the adults enjoy. Let's just see. Okay, so the other book is Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl. This book I got for 135 rupees. This is a very tiny book, you can see it fits in my palm. This is a I think autobiography of Viktor E. Frankl, and it is a story of survival. Basically, the story of his struggles into this Nazi concentration camps that was done by Hitler. So I'm really very excited to read this book, because I've heard very good reviews about it. Let's just open the other package. Okay. I know you people will easily recognize this book. This is so popular in book community. So this is We Should All Be Feminist. I'm really sorry, I'm not going to pronounce author's name. You can check. We Should All Be Feminist. This is also a very well known book. So this is also a very tiny book. It easily comes into my palm, you can see. Let's see how is my experience of going through this book, because these are really well known books. I will share my feedback with you guys. अभी नेक्स्ट ओपन करते हैं, देखते हैं कौन सी बुक है इसमें. Oh, मैंने ये कट कर दिया है बेसिकली पैकेट। इसमें कटर में व्हाट हैपेंस ना, यू डोंट वांट टू डैमेज द बुक व्हाइल कटिंग इट, सो यू रियली नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल। ओके, this is by Dr. Joseph Murphy and The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. You know what is the story behind buying this book? That I'm going through a phase where there is a lot of negativity going on in my life. So I really want to learn the tricks to control your mind, and how positive thinking can actually influence your situation, how it can transform your situation. I know that positive thinking really helps you to go through in your life. So ye book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Okay, here are some books which my daughter actually opened the packets, so these I will show you later on in this video. These are the books that I bought from Amazon. So I'm sorry, I know कि मैं इसको अनपैक नहीं कर पाऊँगी बिकॉज मेरी डॉटर ने ऑलरेडी कर दिया था. So ये सारी वो बुक्स हैं. अभी और हैं ये. Okay. बहुत ही कैजुअली एंड रैंडमली मैंने ये वीडियो बनाने का सोचा है, एंड आई एम नॉट इवन श्योर कि ये वीडियो में मेरी वॉइस कैसी आ रही है बिकॉज माई वॉइस हैज़ लिटरली चेंज्ड. एंड ओके, लेट्स जस्ट, आई हैव नॉट गॉट bookmarks in any of these packets. Okay, here there is a bookmark. Three bookmarks are there. Books are two, but two books are there, but bookmarks I got 3 bookmarks. There is no surer foundation for a beautiful friendship than a mutual taste in literature. A great mind, nothing is little. This is having some cartoon character, and this is also the same one. Oh, 4 bookmarks. ये इसके साथ ऐसे जुड़ा हुआ था. So 2 books, 4 bookmarks. Bookmarks quality is not as good as other websites. बहुत पतली है bookmarks. Okay, so this one is Attitude is Everything, and this book, I'm sorry, I think मैंने is Power of Subconscious Mind, इसका प्राइस बताना मैं भूल गई. I will share the details on screen. And this is Attitude is Everything. This I got for a very very low price. I think it was available for somewhere around 60 or 65 rupees, because actually what happened ki these were having some offers, like if you buy 5 books from the same page, like they show you the books and you buy 5 books, so you will get it for a very very low price. I think I got it for somewhere around 65 rupees. It was having some extra discount. If you buy 5 books, it was having some extra 5% discount. I think, I'm really sorry, I forgot. I will share the price on the screen, you can check. The next is this author. I have heard so much about this author's writing, and if you are in a book community, you know that there will be no person who has not read her books. So she is Agatha Christie. Obviously Agatha Christie. I'm sure everybody must have read her books, but 2 books I wanted to read basically. Those are very famous. One is Murder on the Orient Express, and other one is And Then There Were None. So that book I did not order because of my illness. I was like, really very hesitant to buy any books, and so I thought of ordering this one. And this also I got for somewhere around 110 rupees. Murder on the Orient Express. I will share the details on screen. The price I will share on screen. The quality is 100% good. So all these books I got from Flipkart, but none of the book is in a bad condition, or there are no pirated copies. All the books are original ones. I'm 100% sure all the books are originals, because pirated copies, what happened ki, as soon as you take the pirated copies in your hand, immediately you will come to know that this is a pirated copy. But these all the books are in a beautiful condition, and these are original copies. So I'm actually happy, because if you must have seen my, I don't know if you have seen my last video of the book haul. There you can see ki I got my sorry, I got my first pirated copy from Flipkart itself. So I'll link the video in description box, you can check. Okay, so let's just open. This is quite heavy. I'm actually, I can guess which book is there, because this was also on a very very good discount I got. Let's just see which book is there. It was expected, I knew it. This is Becoming by Michelle Obama, and this is a hardcover. I'm actually not sure whether it is the original copy, because it was available for such a low price, you won't believe. I think hardcover is available for 500 or 600 rupees on regular days, but in this offer I got it for 288 rupees. This hardcover I got for 288 rupees. So I'll just open this plastic coverage is there. So I'll just open it very carefully. It should not damage the pages. Really scared. I don't want to damage the book. I really want to check the condition of the book. This is the outer cover. Wow. This is not a pirated copy, thank God. I was really worried. And this is by Penguin Classics, I think, yeah. Penguin. Wow, I'm so happy, yaar. For 288 rupees, I got this hardcover. Can you imagine? And this is in a very, very good condition. Font and everything is very clear. No issues with the book. It's totally in a good condition. I'm really really happy. It was not expected actually. 288 rupees. Becoming by Michelle Obama. Is it visible? Keep it parasite. Oh, here. Okay. I think ये कॉन्ट्रास्ट में नहीं जा रहा है ना, ये बुक्स का कलर एंड मेरी बेडशीट का कवर. ओके, I don't know. I'm just feeling very nervous today. after a very long period of time I'm making this video. My last video, if you will see now, I think that is Chores Hall. So in that video, I'm like, and in entire video, I kept on smiling, and I was very happy. मेरी फ्रेंड्स भी बोल रही थी कि तो इतनी ज़्यादा क्यों हंस रही है पूरी वीडियो पर. ओके, सो आई एम रियली सॉरी. यू कैन सी कि ये दिस पैकेट इज़ टोटली डैमेज्ड. ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई चीज़ के नीचे अंदर दब गया है. टोटली डैमेज्ड है. तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि बुक भी डैमेज होगी. So the psychology of money. You can see the book is totally damaged. Back side से पूरा ये fold हो चुका है. This is totally bent. It's not in a good condition, but it's okay now. The timing is also gone. Like, I don't want to return it because I really wanted to read this book, Psychology of Money. And this book I got for I'll share the price on screen. I think I got it for somewhere around 200 rupees, 250 rupees. This is also original copy. This is not a pirated one. Font and everything is perfect. So let's just see. Okay, let me see the bookmarks inside. Okay, bookmark is also in a totally bent. You can see clearly. There are two bookmarks in one box. Okay. And these are the books which my daughter actually unpacked. So I'll show you one by one. This is by Preeti Shenoy. Wake Up, Life is Calling. I think Preeti Shenoy's books were on a very, very good discount, and I have read the first book, that is Life is Life. Preeti Shenoy's books were on a very good discount, and she is one of the best writers in India. So the first book I have really liked a lot, that is Life is What You Make It. So this book I thought of going for the sequel. This is a sequel of that book, and that is excellent book. So I thought of going for this book also. And this one I think I got somewhere around 70 or 75 rupees. Wake Up, Life is Calling. Then this is in a YA genre, and All This Time. And this book I got for I think 239 rupees. All This Time. And Amazon, I don't think that I need to be worried about the quality, because my experience has been really fantastic with Amazon. They always send original books. And what is the name of the author? Okay, Mickey Daughtry and Rachel Lippincott. All This Time. I've also heard good reviews of this book, YA genre. And next is Before the Coffee Gets Cold by Toshikazu Kawaguchi. This was also on a good discount. I wanted to read this book since a very long time, and it was available for somewhere around 300 or 315, 320 rupees in regular days, and I did not want to spend much money because the pages are very less. It's just having somewhere around 213 pages. So whenever I am buying some book ना, मतलब ज़्यादा प्राइस अगर किसी बुक का होता है तो I will always go and check the number of pages. And अगर मुझे लगता है कि okay चलो बुक अगर 400-500 pages की है, then I feel that okay it is worth buying that book, then only I buy. And इसमें it is having somewhere around 213 pages. So I did not want to pay 300 rupees for this, and I bought it for 250 rupees. This is also, you can see, you can say that this is a children's book, but October is majorly considered as a Halloween month. So I've never read any books in this genre, this which genre it is. You know, ये weakness and fever में ना I've like forgot so many things. So this is Coraline by Neil Gaiman. I'm sure everybody knows about the author Neil Gaiman. He is very famous author, and I wanted to try this horror genre, reading this book from horror genre. So this is by Neil Gaiman, and this book also is available for 300 rupees on regular days. But ये offer में I got it for 245 rupees. So that's it, guys. These many books I have with me. Really sorry for the coughing. I'm really sorry. And yeah, I want to share that there were two more books, which one was Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. That book was available for 350 rupees on Flipkart, and I ordered and got that book. But luckily, my daughter opened the packet, and you won't believe there was some other copy I received instead of Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I received The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. That book I received in that packet, so I immediately returned it, and I got the money also back in my bank account. And one more book I bought from Amazon, that is A House in the Cerulean Sea. So that book was available for 360 rupees. So this Coraline and House in the Cerulean Sea, these two books were in the same packet. But what happened? But that book I returned because that day I was really not feeling well at all, and I checked the font size, and it was a very tiny font size of that book. So I felt like I will not be able to read books for a very long time because of whatever, you know, health issues I had. So I immediately returned that book, and I got the money also back in my bank account. So these are the total books that I bought: 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. So there were total 14 books. 2 books I returned back. So these are the books. So thank you so much for watching this entire video and staying till the end. And I really need some subscribers, so please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please like and share your comments on this video right below. Thank you so much. And I will also link my other videos in this description box. You can go and check and share your feedback. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.